Wheels start to turn here in match 7. Aerodynamics deep in the center field. They grab a few fuel. They're joined by the Red Alliance's Tank Rex 8051. They both make their way towards their respective alliance sides, launching that fuel towards the respective alliance hubs. Fuel at 1 point apiece puts our live scores at 31 or 32 or so. These numbers just keep increasing to 17 in favor of the Blue Alliance. So the Blue Alliance will be first off shift. They'll prepare later on. As some loud noises here from 2980. The Whidbey Island Wildcats. They were in motion, and we do hear their motors and belts and whatnot, as they do end up currently stuck on some fuel. They try to navigate around the neutral zone to free themselves from the clutches of that red ball. Oh no, to become disconnected. Hopefully they'll rejoin us later on in this match. Tank Rex does try to help them get up off that fuel, but we are currently in Blue Alliance shift time, and they are on the offensive. Aerodynamics chasing down some fuel against the Alliance wall. They're joined by Saints and Ramen, both launching fuel towards that Blue Alliance hub. Several shots from Saints are once over the hub, now over the driver's station wall there in the final seconds of that Blue Alliance shift. We return back to the red side as all three Blue Alliance robots make their way back into the neutral zone, attempting to gather fuel for the next time they're on the clock. 2980 still trapped on top of the fuel, but they are, or at least appear to be reconnected back to the field control system. And as I say that, their status light continues to flash. So we'll have to see if they're able to make it back off that piece of fuel as they make their way back to the Blue Alliance side for their offensive scoring. 10079, they gather some additional fuel behind their Blue Alliance tower. Saints Robotics tracking down some fuel as well as we approach endgame. 34 seconds left now on the clock as we approach endgame. There's the whistle now. Now it's BarkBots at center field. They join the Whidbey Island Wildcats, seemingly immobile. They launch some fuel high in the air. They do some spins, and now, okay, BarkBots making their way back towards the center line. But it's going to be only 8051 Tank Rex in red territory attempting to score. Some final shots of fuel coming in from the Blue Alliance side, both from robots and humans. 3 seconds left now on the clock. 2 and 1. Armor Robotics appears to be in the air again. So we shall have to see how our referees call that one as they finalize our scores. And with those scores now finalized, we do see a Blue Alliance victory. Final score, 184-43. Free ranking points for the win, an additional ranking point for the energized bonus. 100 points of fuel scored there for that Blue Alliance. That moves the Saints and the Ramen Robotics teams up in the rankings. They're at 14th and 12th respectively. Aerodynamics remains at 6th. That will be Alliance captain position tomorrow.